Okay, welcome back. What we're going to do today is I have a couple trailer tires and I have a utility trailer that I've been kind of flipping so I could turn around and sell it. Anyway, the wheels on it were really bad. They were really old. So these tires are from another trailer of mine and they're not bad. But I have a problem and one of the stems is bad and I'll show you. And we're going to fix that today. Alright, so normally if you want to put a new stem in, you have to dismount the wheel, and then after you take the wheel off, then you got to go ahead and put a new stem in. We're going to try a kit where we're going to remove the stem and push a new stem in without dismounting anything. So let's see, I'll show you. The stem's bad. Ethan, can you zoom in on that? This is just soapy water. Yeah, see all the bubbles? Yeah, it's going crazy, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the needle valve out. Now, I've never done this before, so we're going to do this together. Okay, needle valve's out. Okay, so the kit that we're using today is this one here. It's made by AME, I guess that's international. And the item number is 51025. And I'm trying to remember what I paid for it. I'll let you guys know later. It wasn't that bad. I also bought some other stems too. So what you get in the kit, so they give you directions on what to do. I don't know where this is made. Doesn't really say if it's made overseas or if it's made here. So the several tools that they give you a cone. They give you this bar, they give you a knob, a little hook tool, and then they give you a couple stems. So I guess, according to the directions, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fish. Let's see, I can get this out of the way. We're going to fish this tool in with the hook on it, and it's going to pull this old stem out. So I guess, here you can see that. So I'm going to go underneath the stem and I'm going to push this in there. Come on. Oh, I see. You got it. There it goes. Okay, it's in, so I went below the stem, and you're supposed to turn it, and the hook is supposed to grab the bottom of the stem, and we're going to pull it out. Nice. And according to these directions too, on the front it says change your tire valve in 10 seconds. Well, it's already been 10 seconds, so Anyway, I guess this is real world. But so far it's working. So that's the old one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to, okay, now these stems are not just regular, these are different stems, I guess. I guess they're called push-in stems. So that, the push-in stems go with this kit. So let's see, what do we do next? So I guess we take the bar and we put this knob on the end. And I guess, I'm pretty sure we're going to be taking the stem out of, or the needle valve out. Okay, don't mix those up. So we then take the cone, and I think I'm going to thread this on the end, and then we're going to, this is how it gets pushed in. But I'm going to use some grease, so hold on one second. This is just this is joint grease. Okay, so I think we're gonna put some grease on here too. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to okay, you ready? Let's put this down. Excess grease. All right, here we go. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try this again. Hold on a minute. There are pliers. Well, so far we're past the 10 seconds. Okay. So, put a little bit of grease on there again. A bit around there. Keep my rag. All right, here we go. Oh. And I flopped out again. Maybe I'm pushing too hard on it. Okay, here we go. started. Wait a minute, it started to do it. Maybe I was pushing too hard before. I think it's going to go on this one. Okay, here we go. There it goes. Hey, it's in. Okay, so I guess you're supposed to pull this out, but not all the way. There it goes. Hey, all right. This is all greasy. Okay, I don't want to squeeze this stem. I just want to hold it. There it goes. Bar comes back off. That stuff's done. Wipe off the excess grease. We're going to put the needle back in. Let's do that now. Okay. Actually, before I do that, maybe I'll throw air in just to make sure. No, you know what? Let's put the valve in. Let's put it in. I don't know how many pounds of air. These trailer tires. This is going on a Class 8 trailer. It's just a single axle. All right, here we go. These are P195 75R14s. And I think it's 30 pounds. Let's check it with the soap and water. Let's see. Oh, it's looking good. Looking fine. I think it's fine. All right, so what was that? That is the AME Tire Valve tool, item number 51025. And did it take 10 seconds? No, it didn't take 10 seconds, but for what you would pay to get the wheels broke down and a whole new valve and all that. And like I said, I'll have to find out what I paid for this. It wasn't that bad. Maybe it was $40, something like that. So, but I think it's worth it. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.